Now, let's look at question number 2. Question number 2 says a load of 20 Newton on a wire of cross-sectional area 8 times 10 raised to the power of minus 7 meter square produces an extension of 10 raised to the power of minus 4 meter. Calculate the Young modulus of the material if its length is 3 meter. This question is we should calculate the Young modulus. Now, Young modulus is equal to the stress all over the strain. Young modulus is equal to stress all over strain. Now, what is stress? Stress is force over area. We've said it, the ratio of force to the cross-sectional area is the stress. All over the strain is the extension over the length. Alright? So if you are to this expression is same thing as this. You just have to change this sign to this division sign. Then the next thing we'll take the reciprocal. It's normal mathematics. So please, you have to understand mathematics to solve physics. Because mathematics is the language of physics. Right? Now, the force from the question, we're given a load of 20 Newton, we're given the length of 3 meter, we're given the area of 8 times 10 raised to the power of minus 7 meter, and we're given extension to be 10 raised to the power of minus 4 meters. We are not doing any conversion here. All of them are given to us in their standard units. Alright? So we just use this formula. For Young modulus is equal to, what's the force? The force is 20 times, what's the length? The length is 3 all over, we can do it like this. The area is 8 times 10 raised to the power of minus 7 times, what's the extension? 10 raised to the power of minus 4. We just simply solve for that. Young modulus is equal to 20 times 3 is 60 all over this times this. Now, this is in standard form. So the simple way we just do it, since both of them are having the same base, they're having the same base, which is 10. So we can just simply add the powers because of this multiplication sign. This is indices, alright? You add the powers. So minus 7 plus minus 4 will give you minus 11. So we are still having 8 times 10 raised to the power of minus 11. Because the bases are the same, I picked one. Then I added the powers because of this multiplication sign. If it is division sign, you subtract the powers. Simple indices, alright? Then what do we do? Okay, if you divide 60 divided by 8, Young modulus is equal to 7.5. 60 divided by 8, 7.5 times 10 raised to the power of minus 11. This is your final answer. Please, this is just very, very simple. Follow the process. It's a step-by-step process. Understand how I got this formula from stress over strain. I took the reciprocal and I solved. In this case, when the one got to this point, I did simple indices and I arrived at the final answer. Please tell your friends, share to your friends. WAEC Jamb candidates for next year. Please, if you see my video, please drop a like, drop a comment. Please, I really appreciate it. Please. Follow my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel in this comment section. Thank you very much.